roads are. Better earlier than never, so. Is this completely stock or?
No.
No? It sounds a little louder.
Yeah, it's stock from the factory, but it's got there's no muffler on it.
No muffler?
It's,
okay.
The race exhaust, which they delete the muffler.
Okay. What year is this one?
It's a 2015.
15?
Yeah.
Okay.
It also has some engine work too. It's got an ECU.
Oh, wow. Okay. Time do you guys start doing the racing?
Oh, you can race now if you want.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
okay.
Absolutely. Go race.
Okay. I had no traction, man.
I love it, dude.
Yeah.
I can just do this shit all day.
Yeah.
When I get a house, I'm definitely buying a go-kart to go race on the Lansing.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely, man.
Have you seen the Lansing track?
Uh-uh.
When you go home tonight, Look up East Lansing go-karting facility.
Okay.
It's like $250 for the whole weekend,
Okay.
but you get to rent the cart and the track's huge and it's outdoor.
It's in Lansing?
Yeah.
No shit.
And you get to stay the whole weekend at the meeting.
Wow.
So you get to see it all.
No shit. I have to check that out.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Not exactly how I thought it was going to be. Not good. Hey, Brian.
Did you get it?
28-1.
Good.
I'm still messed up yet, apparently. Amazing turnout. I was really excited to see so many people racing today. I was really excited to see the variety of cars that we got in today. I was here all besides one Cars and Coffee last year, and the variety today was amazing.
There's not much difference at all. I mean, you just weigh things differently in Europe.
Well, at least you got a decent option.
I heard that they had fewer airbags, whatever. It's just they just weigh stuff with no engine oil, with no coolant, with no nothing. It's
a dry weight
to measure. You're right.
Yeah.
In the U.S., we say you have to put all this stuff in. You have to weigh it with anything that has more than a 30% take rate. So if sunroofs are in more than 30% of the cars, the weight has to include the sunroof.
When I was in the 60s, yeah. Muscle cars back then. Look at the quarter miles there, Sterling. They were very
14 seconds, maybe
14 seconds,
13
seconds.
seconds tires like that. Look at these. This is the biggest thing you've ever seen in your life.
Look at the ones I have. These are more.
What do you
Third and fourth, you put in third and fourth, it's like it keeps on going. You know, it's like first and second, just a rocket ship. Then you go to third before, you know, you can feel okay. But now you hit that, it's the same thing. It just keeps pulling and pulling.
What did these do in the quarter mile stock?
The 12.5 to 12.8 seconds. Quarter mile.
So do you think it's a 11-second car now?
Yeah. Well, this friend of mine, he's taking his with. If you put sticky tires, you get into the 11s with tires like these. They aren't quite as sticky.
Okay.
Probably low 12, 12, 1, 12, 2. Most
Wow.
they're running.
I know what you mean. Yeah, it's a clover leaf design.
Yeah, it's unbelievably pretty.
Yeah, it's a great car. I mean, it's
Reliable?
Did reliable. I've never had a bit of problem with mine at all.
And how many miles do you have
Well,
on
I
it?
got 8,000 miles.
8,000 on it?
But there's guys that have thousands of miles in there. They've been reliable.
Dude, if you look, they put the turbo in.
Oh, look at that interior, huh?
Deviated stitching.
This is stock exhaust.
Okay.
I can go to work and stop the car, the whole neighborhood wakes up. I had a built Cobalt, like that's not that great, but it would break all the time. Bought that Focus ST, and I love being able to just jump. We have an ST. I have like his is a 16. I have a 17 ST3.
What do you think? You know about these cars?
Yeah, they're pretty.
It's a Ferrari with a Ferrari. It's a California V8. They chopped off 2 cylinders. But it still has the twin turbos.
Exactly.
And everything. It's crazy. A lot cheaper. I don't know when they showed up.
Yeah. alphas, thumbs up. They look so much better in person. I can't explain it. It's such a different car when you're looking at it here. At the auto show, I kind of just walk right by them, you know. But this is killer. They sound amazing. I gotta get one. I'm getting one. Like, it's so low and wide. I love it. Oh.
They let a rumor drop that they're going to come out with a refresh and might have some different things.
Okay.
But they don't know what it's going to be yet, or if it's going to be actual that car, exactly. Just maybe suspension, engine change, whatever. But the other hand, I've heard that this car it actually costs them more to build than it does what they can sell it for, because there's so much hand labor on it.
Yeah.
And they say that they may go the cheaper route, maybe go back to a non-carbon fiber, maybe have a metal chassis or whatever. But I don't know. But I'm not about to sell this one, because the first, it's like the Porsche. If you have an older,
it's gonna appreciate
if you have the original 911 S's or T's, or like the one he has, those things are crazy expensive. In fact, he's actually thinking about selling it because it's $150,000 bucks.
Well, Porsche really appreciated in value. It's insane. I mean, I remember.
What was hyped as a 6C coming out
that
next
looks
year.
insane.
It is. It's going to be a wider chassis, a longer chassis, and 650
horsepower.
But this looks more like a Grand Tourer.
So what do you think that's going to be, like a price point of like 120?
It's going to be the same. So
same price?
Yeah.
With 650 horsepower?
Well, maybe we'll see.
Yeah, maybe.
No,
I think it's going to be more.
They don't cap over $100,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
The
what
most
they
expensive
do
car
is they
that
try to
we
price it
ourselves
against
is
whatever the
$100,000.
competition is.
Okay.
They never sell above it. It's some tax strategy that they have.
But they're supposed to be refreshing this one too, supposedly. But I've heard mixed. The guy who's the senior VP were like that, let it leak that they are going to have some version coming out. But this one, they've got a coupe coming out with a two-door with the 640, and they've got, they have the SUV, and they make them out with a bigger SUV, like a next size up. Because that's what, right now, that's what's selling, all the SUVs.
That's unbelievable. It looks, you can look at the dash. I mean, it looks like a Ferrari on the inside of here.
In fact, the leather is actually the same guy that does
leather?
the leather on Ferrari. It's the same company that does it.
Right. The steering wheel's great too. Wow. It's actually not that small in here.
No, it's not. No. It's actually pretty roomy inside. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
Because I've been in the Lotus Exige, and those are tiny and small. I mean, they're really small. Plus, they have a very wide, the sill. This is bad enough, but the Lotus is really hard. It's got a really ultra-wide sill.
Ultra-wide sill to get in.
Yeah.
This is all carbon tub.
Yeah. This is, not carbon here, but this is here.
This is, yeah. Body panels are...
they're all that. Basically, it's composite, same as the Corvette.
Okay.
Same exact as a Corvette.
Okay.
Fiberglass or whatever. And then I put this on, that you can get that expel, and you can buy that in strips. So I just put it on over here.
Wow.
Yeah.
You put it on?
Oh yeah. See, it's real easy to put on. As long as you don't have a bunch of compound curves.
So you just clean it.
Real easy. Yeah. You just clean it. You get water and dish soap. Lay this dish soap on. You pull the backing off. Set it in place once you cut it, and just take a squeegee and squeegee out air bubbles, and just take a rag and wipe up the water. It's no problem. Wow. Real easy.
Yeah, this is a treat, man. You get your money's worth in this. This is a super car. Are you doing a donut?
I'll hopefully see you at one of the auto
events. You'll be on my YouTube channel.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Oh, okay. I will see you again.
All right. My channel is Japanese Monster. One word, Japanese Monster. Subscribe to it. Yeah. Okay. See ya.
I'm pretty sure they have the sending. We go on.
Wow, that looks menacing.
Yeah. Yeah, those cars are crazy acceleration.
Are they?
Yeah.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
He doesn't care about those tires.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna start looking for them.
Yeah. Well, now's the time to look because what's happening, you know, like the ones that are 3 years old, whatever, you know, the models that aren't the special edition like that, you can probably get some pretty good, decent buys because now they've taken the biggest hit in depreciation now, like all cars. So.
Yeah, cool. Well, I don't want to hold you up,
Okay,
man. I
yeah.
appreciate
Okay,
it. Thank
yeah,
you.
No problem. Okay.
Yeah. All right, I'll see you. Badass car. Holy cow. Alright, well, I'm the last one here. That was cool. I'm gonna start looking at used Alphas. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Peace.